this screencast will focus on opening a new document and the options that are available, and also doing some basic drawing using the tools and the options. We've opened up Photoshop, we go to File and New. Now the new panel, there's a number of options. There's presets. If we click on the presets, we have default Photoshop size, which will give you the default size. Panel can get changed from pixels, or it can get changed to centimeters. Then it has pixels per inch or pixel per centimeter. The other options are US paper, but more useful will be the international paper sizes, and they will give you a range of A and B sizes, including all the way down to C's and DL for envelopes. Now, if we move down and go to photo presets, these will give you all the standard photo sizes. Mainly these are in inches, 5x7, 10x8, etc. Now, if we go down, we go to web. The web presets will give us a number of screen sizes, and also to do with advertisement sizes as well. Mobile devices will give you a number of screen settings to match different devices. And then film and video, this will give you the option if you're making graphic elements for video production. There's a number of different elements to choose from. Now we'll just come back up here and we'll just go for default Photoshop size. And also note that sometimes it defaults to pixels per centimeter. You need to make sure you're in pixels per inch. We'll leave it at 72 and leave it at those dimensions. We click OK. Now we've got a screen. On our screen here we've got the document or the canvas, and we're going to do some painting. But first we're going to highlight the swatches. If I go up to the panel here, I've got swatches. Now I'll just click on that. I can drag that swatch over here and put it next to where I'm going to do my drawing. If you don't have your swatch available, you would go to the window menu and open the swatch from there. Now once I've done that, I'm going to select a brush size. When I hover my mouse over here, the brush is quite large. You change your brush sizes by going up to the top on the options. You have sizes in pixels here. You have a number of preset brushes which go all the way down to the bottom, and they say what their sizes are underneath. There's preset brushes for soft, hard, different types of brushes, airbrush, and also stylized brushes which can draw leaves, etc. So we will just go up and just go for an ordinary brush. We can make the pixels larger or smaller. I just take it down a little bit because I've got a low resolution image. You can change the hardness. That goes to make it more soft or hard edged. So I'll go for a hard edge. Now I'll select a color from the swatch, and I can just draw around. So I can draw a little face there. I can then change my color, draw an eye, and again you can get those. So what you can also do is go back and select another brush size and make it smaller. Okay. So there we go. That's basic painting with the brush. Now you can experiment with brushes, different sizes, but also what is useful, if you go and see opacity on the options, we can take the opacity down. I'll take it down to about 30 thereabout. I will select a different color, orange. I will select the larger brush than I've been using, and now if I paint over, it paints over with that color, and because the opacity is down, it's more transparent to paint with.